Happy Friday! We got a new friend. You want to meet her? It's Tussie! Yoo-hoo! Hi! Hi! Back sit. Bra. Look at Tussie. Oh, you like Tussie? You like Tussie? Meow. Meow. Ja, så fin. Är det Tussie? Tussie, kussi, kuss. Tussie, kussi, kuss. Ja. Hey. Sit. We need to get Salah. Bli. Bli. Sit. 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 Bli. Bli. Stay. Budgie. Let me see if we can get Salah down. Come on. Yeah, come on. Hi. Hi. Are you going to poop? Yeah. Är det så fint? Ja. Är det så fint? Oj! It fly away. Salah. Yeah. Bra! 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 Happy Friday! Ja, vad så fin! Happy Friday, happy weekend, and we want to thank you all the new friends, for watching our videos. We love you and appreciate you, right? Did you see the difference on the energy when Salah came over? Because Salah is the boss and Hendo respect him. Do you see that? You see? He respect him and starting to take his tongue out because he's afraid of Salah is going to take his fur. I'm not going to trigger it, but you see Salah is enjoying this. He's happy. If they are on the floor, Hendo will run around and wants to play with him, and Salah is not having that. I'm sorry, Hendo. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm not going to do that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah. What is Salah? Are you going to jump? Oh! He's on my phone. Where are you going? Hi. Är det så fint? Yeah. He's going to fly away. Oh, don't poop. He can poop on my chair. We can't get it off again, huh? It stinks. Yeah, you're pooping everywhere. Yes, you are. Oh, so fine. Oh, did you smell the poop? Did you smell the poop? Yes, you did. Yeah. Är det så fint? Oh. Kom igen då. Ja. Kom on, kitten. You took a break? Huh? Ja, så fina gutter. This is, I think it's very cool that they respect each other. Ja, så flink. Bra. And that they stay friends, because it's important to respect friends. And when you comment in under videos, always be positive and always say hi. when you see me in another chat or video, just say hi. I think it's so nice when people do that. And oh, look at Hendo. No, you can't see. I'm sorry, I didn't follow through here. Why can't you see it? Is it clear now? I can see the screen. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, he's so pale. You're going to... Are you going to jump away? Are you going to jump away? Sorry, Hendo. Sorry, I'm going. I'll take him. Too much zoom. Too much zoom. Ja, så pen. Het is zo pen. Het is zo pen. Ja. Aha. Kom er nou. Ja. Ja. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Så fin gutt. Ja, så fin. Mm. Hej. Det är så fina. Det är så fint. Åh, så flink. Ja, det är så fint. Ja. Är det Hendo? Ja. Det är kosegutten. Ja. Åh, så fint. Tussie. Look how cute. Aww. Say hi to Tussie. Best friends. Best friends. Oh, så fint. Jag ser. Åh, så fint. Because I need a clear picture here. så kommer regnet. Regnet. Det blåste rett inn. Hva ser det ut?
Har du fått å lære meg
Ja. Du blir svidd av med hagl. Nei, ikke bjeff. Å, så flink. Nei, bakover. Nei, bakover.